Schematic Online Training. Introduction to Schematic. Schematic is a software platform designed to address limitations and risks associated with heavy reliance on spreadsheets, particularly Microsoft Excel, in businesses. Here's a quick breakdown. What it does: empowers Excel users. Schematic builds on top of Excel, offering familiar environment for users while adding powerful features for data manipulation and integration. Enhances spreadsheets. It tackles issues like performance limitations, data size restrictions, and complexity of massive spreadsheets. Improves data management. Schematic allows for better data control, reduces errors, and streamlines data analysis through its functionalities. Integrates with systems. It facilitates connecting spreadsheets with other business systems and workflows through APIs. Benefits: reduced errors and risk. Schematic helps ensure data accuracy and mitigate operational risks associated with complex spreadsheets. Increased efficiency. By improving performance and simplifying spreadsheet management, Schematic saves time and resources. Enhanced collaboration. The platform enables secure sharing and analysis of data within teams. Reduced shadow IT. Schematic can bring logic from spreadsheets into controlled applications, reducing reliance on unofficial or unsupported tools. Who uses it? Schematic caters to businesses that heavily utilize spreadsheets for critical tasks and data analysis. Industries like energy and insurance are mentioned as benefiting from its ability to handle complex models and integrate with various data sources. Overall, Schematic offers a way to leverage the familiarity and functionality of Excel while overcoming its limitations and improving data management within organizations. Features of Schematic. Schematic is a cloud-based platform designed to address limitations and improve the functionality of spreadsheets, particularly Microsoft Excel. Here are some key features of Schematic. Overcome Excel's data and memory limits. Schematic removes the data size and memory constraints that can hinder complex spreadsheets in Excel. This allows you to work with much larger datasets and models. Enhanced data connectivity. Schematic offers powerful data connector features that enable you to connect your Excel spreadsheets to any external data source. This streamlines data access and manipulation within your spreadsheets. Advanced data manipulation. Schematic provides new functions that allow you to store and manipulate tables within a single cell. This simplifies complex data management tasks within your spreadsheets. Cloud-based version control and governance. Schematic offers cloud-based version control and governance tools for your Excel workbooks. This ensures better organization, collaboration, and tracking of changes made to your spreadsheets. Faster scenario analysis. Schematic can significantly accelerate scenario analysis in your spreadsheets. This allows you to explore different possibilities and make data-driven decisions much quicker. Excel function and workbook testing. Schematic includes a built-in testing framework for your Excel functions and workbooks. This helps identify and rectify errors before deployment. API creation from spreadsheets. Schematic allows you to convert your Excel models into secure, cloud-based APIs. This facilitates integration of your spreadsheet logic with enterprise systems. Improved security. Schematic offers enhanced security features to protect your Excel functions, workbooks, and APIs. What is Schematic? Schematic is a software platform designed to facilitate data manipulation and analysis within Microsoft Excel. It provides users with the ability to write and execute complex calculations, data transformations, and analytics directly within Excel using a functional programming language. Schematic extends Excel's capabilities by allowing users to work with larger datasets, automate repetitive tasks, and perform advanced data analysis without the need for extensive programming knowledge. It essentially bridges the gap between Excel's familiar interface and the power of more sophisticated data processing tools. Origins and evolution of Schematic. Schematic is a term that seems to be associated with a variety of contexts, including software, databases, and possibly other fields. However, without a specific context, it's challenging to provide a precise explanation of its origins and evolution. Could you please provide more details or clarify the context you're referring to? Once I understand the specific domain or field you're interested in, I can offer a more accurate response. How does Schematic enhance Excel functionality? Schematic is a powerful tool that enhances Excel functionality in several ways. Advanced functions. Schematic provides a wide range of advanced functions beyond what Excel offers natively. These functions are designed to handle complex calculations, data manipulation, and analysis, empowering users to perform tasks more efficiently and accurately. Integration with external data sources. Schematic allows users to easily integrate Excel with external data sources such as databases, APIs, and web services. This enables real-time data retrieval and updates directly within Excel spreadsheets, eliminating the need for manual data entry or imports. Automation and workflow management. Schematic enables the automation of repetitive tasks and the creation of sophisticated workflows within Excel. Users can build custom scripts and workflows to automate data processing, reporting, and other business processes, improving productivity and reducing errors. Scalability and performance. Schematic is designed to handle large datasets and complex calculations more efficiently than Excel alone. It leverages optimized algorithms and parallel processing capabilities to deliver superior performance, even with massive datasets and complex calculations. Integrating Schematic into your workflow. Integrating Schematic into your workflow can add significant value, especially if you deal with complex data manipulation and analysis tasks in Excel. Here's how you can do it. Understanding Schematic. First, familiarize yourself with what Schematic offers. It's an Excel add-in designed to enhance Excel's capabilities for data manipulation, analysis, and automation. It provides functions for data transformation, analysis, and automation directly within Excel. Installation. Begin by installing Schematic onto your system. This usually involves downloading the add-in file from the Schematic website and then installing it into Excel. Learning the functions. Take some time to learn the functions provided by Schematic. They include a wide range of capabilities such as data cleansing, transformation, statistical analysis, and more. Understanding these functions will help you leverage Schematic effectively in your workflow. Identifying use cases. Identify areas in your workflow where schematic can add value. This could be anything from automating repetitive tasks to performing complex data analysis that is difficult or time-consuming to do manually in Excel. Building workflows. Once you have identified use cases, start building workflows using schematic functions. This might involve chaining together multiple functions to perform a series of data manipulation steps, or it could involve integrating schematic with other tools or systems in your workflow. Case studies. Successful implementations of schematic. Schematic is a powerful tool for spreadsheet automation and data integration, offering a range of functionalities that streamline processes and enhance productivity. While specific case studies may not be readily available, I can outline some potential scenarios where schematic could be successfully implemented. Financial modeling and analysis. Investment firms, banks, and financial analysts can leverage schematic to automate complex financial models, streamline risk analysis, and generate reports. By integrating schematic with financial databases and APIs, these organizations can ensure accuracy and efficiency in their decision-making processes. Supply chain optimization. Companies in manufacturing, retail, and logistics can use schematic to optimize their supply chain operations. By automating inventory management, demand forecasting, and procurement processes, businesses can reduce costs, minimize stockouts, and improve overall efficiency. Business intelligence and reporting. Schematic can be integrated with by tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Qlik to enhance reporting capabilities. By automating data extraction, transformation, and loading (ETL) processes, organizations can generate real-time insights and make data-driven decisions. Regulatory compliance. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and telecommunications must comply with various regulatory requirements. Schematic can help automate compliance tasks, such as data validation, audit trail generation, and reporting, ensuring that organizations meet regulatory standards while minimizing manual effort. Schematic, security and compliance considerations. When it comes to security and compliance considerations in using schematic, a powerful tool for spreadsheet data management and automation, there are several key points to keep in mind. Data encryption. Ensure that sensitive data stored or processed within schematic is encrypted both at rest and in transit. This helps prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Access controls. Implement strict access controls to limit who can view, edit, or execute schematic scripts and workbooks. Role-based access controls can help enforce the principle of least privilege, ensuring that users only have access to the resources necessary for their roles. Audit trails. Enable logging and auditing features within schematic to track user activities, script executions, and changes to data. This information is valuable for compliance purposes and investigating security incidents. Secure integration. When integrating schematic with other systems or services, such as databases or APIs, ensure that proper authentication and authorization mechanisms are in place. Use secure communication protocols and validate inputs to prevent injection attacks. Data validation and sanitization. Validate and sanitize user inputs and data processed within schematic to prevent injection attacks, buffer overflows, and other forms of exploitation. Regular updates and patches keep schematic and its dependencies up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Vulnerabilities in software components can be exploited by attackers to compromise the security of the system. Customization and configuration options in Schematic. Schematic is a powerful tool for spreadsheet modeling and automation, offering various customization and configuration options to tailor your experience. Here are some key features you can customize and configure in Schematic. Formula language. Schematic supports Excel-like formula language, but with additional functionalities. You can customize formulas according to your specific requirements, incorporating various mathematical, logical, and statistical functions. User-defined functions. UDF Schematic allows you to create your own custom functions using its built-in programming language, enabling you to extend the functionality beyond what's provided by default. Data integration. Schematic offers integration with external data sources such as databases, web services, and APIs. You can configure connections to these sources and customize data import-export processes. Automation. Schematic enables automation of spreadsheet tasks through scripting. You can customize scripts to automate repetitive tasks, perform complex calculations, and generate reports. Security settings. Schematic provides security settings to control access to spreadsheets and data. You can configure permissions, encryption, and authentication mechanisms to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. Training and support for Schematic users. 1. Documentation. User Manual, a comprehensive guide covering all aspects of Schematic, from installation to advanced features. Tutorials, step-by-step tutorials to help users get started with common tasks and workflows. FAQs, answers to frequently asked questions to address common issues and queries. 2. Online resources. Video tutorials, visual walkthroughs of different functionalities and use cases. Webinars, live or recorded sessions where experts demonstrate features and answer user questions. Community forums, online forums where users can ask questions, share tips, and troubleshoot issues together. 3. Training programs. Online courses, structured courses covering schematic fundamentals, advanced techniques, and best practices. Certification programs, certification tracks for users to demonstrate their proficiency in using Schematic. Customized training, tailored training sessions for organizations or teams based on their specific needs and workflows. 4. Support channels. Email support, dedicated email support for users to reach out with questions or issues. Ticketing system, a system for users to submit support tickets for more complex problems that require assistance from technical experts. Chat support, real-time chat support for quick questions and troubleshooting. Phone support, direct phone support for urgent issues or in-depth assistance. 5. Knowledge base. Articles and how-tos, informative articles and guides covering various topics related to Schematic. Case studies, real-world examples of how organizations have successfully implemented Schematic to solve specific challenges. White papers, in-depth documents discussing advanced concepts, best practices, and industry trends related to spreadsheet automation and data manipulation. Future developments and roadmap for schematic. Enhanced integration. Further integration with popular data analysis and visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Python libraries like Pandas could make schematic even more powerful for data professionals. Advanced analytics capabilities. Adding more advanced analytics features such as predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, or natural language processing could open up new possibilities for users to derive insights directly from their spreadsheet data. Collaboration and sharing. Improvements to collaboration features, including real-time collaboration on spreadsheets and easier sharing of templates, could make schematic more appealing for teams and organizations. Security and compliance. Strengthening security features and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations such as GDPR could be crucial for attracting and retaining enterprise customers. User experience enhancements. Continuous improvements to the user interface, usability, and performance can contribute to a better overall user experience and increased productivity for schematic users. Education and training. Investing in educational resources, tutorials, and training programs to help users make the most of schematics capabilities could be beneficial for both users and the company. Customization and extensibility. Providing options for users to customize and extend schematics functionality through plugins, custom functions, or scripting could cater to more diverse use cases and user preferences. Tips and best practices for maximizing schematics potential. Schematic is a powerful tool for spreadsheet automation and analysis. Here are some tips and best practices to help you maximize its potential. Understand the basics. Before diving into advanced features, make sure you understand the basics of schematic, including how to create and edit formulas, import data, and manage your spreadsheets. Organize your data. Structure your data in a clear and organized manner within your spreadsheets. Use separate sheets for different types of data and use named ranges to make your formulas more readable. Use named ranges. Named ranges make your formulas more understandable and maintainable. Instead of referring to cell ranges like A1, B10, give them meaningful names like sales data or expenses. Leverage functions. Schematic provides a wide range of built-in functions for various tasks such as mathematical calculations, text manipulation, and data analysis. Familiarize yourself with these functions and use them to simplify your formulas. Avoid hardcoding. Instead of hardcoding values directly into your formulas, reference them from cells or named ranges. This makes your formulas more flexible and easier to update in the future. Use data validation. Apply data validation rules to ensure that the input values in your spreadsheets meet certain criteria. This helps maintain data integrity and reduces errors. Document your work. Document your spreadsheets thoroughly by adding comments to explain complex formulas or calculations. This makes it easier for others to understand your work and for you to revisit it later. Test your formulas. Before relying on your spreadsheets for critical tasks, thoroughly test your formulas with different input data to ensure they produce the expected results. Advantages of schematic online training. Online training in schematic, a tool for spreadsheet automation and data management, offers several advantages. Convenience: participants can access training sessions from anywhere with an internet connection, eliminating the need for travel and allowing for flexible scheduling to accommodate various time zones. Cost effectiveness: online training often comes at a lower cost compared to traditional in-person training, as there are no expenses associated with travel, accommodation, or venue rental. Self-paced learning: many online schematic training programs offer self-paced learning modules, allowing participants to progress through the material at their own speed and revisit topics as needed. Access to expert instructors: participants have the opportunity to learn from experienced instructors who are experts in schematic and related fields. They can ask questions, seek clarification, and receive personalized guidance during live sessions or through discussion forums. Interactive learning: online training platforms often incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, exercises, and simulations to reinforce learning and enhance engagement. Resource availability: participants typically receive access to a variety of resources such as video tutorials, documentation, sample projects, and community forums, which can supplement their learning and provide ongoing support. Scalability: online training can easily accommodate large numbers of participants, making it a scalable option for organizations seeking to train multiple employees simultaneously. Real-world applications: schematic online training often includes practical examples and case studies that demonstrate how to apply concepts and techniques to real-world scenarios, enhancing the relevance and applicability of the training. Career opportunities in schematic. Schematic is a platform designed for financial modeling and analytics, primarily leveraging Microsoft Excel. The career opportunities within schematic or related to its ecosystem would typically involve roles that require expertise in financial modeling, Excel automation, data analytics, and possibly software development. Here are some potential career paths or job opportunities related to schematic. Financial analyst. Schematic enhances financial modeling capabilities within Excel, so professionals adept at financial analysis, modeling, and forecasting would find opportunities to leverage this platform in roles such as financial analyst, financial planning and analysis, FP&A analyst, or investment analyst. Excel developer consultant. With its focus on Excel automation and advanced functionalities, there's a demand for Excel developers or consultants who specialize in optimizing Excel-based processes, building custom solutions, and integrating with other systems. Data analyst, data scientist. Schematic facilitates data analysis and manipulation within Excel, so individuals with skills in data analysis, data visualization, and statistical modeling could find opportunities to apply their expertise in roles such as data analyst, business analyst, or data scientist. Software engineer developer. Schematic may also offer opportunities for software engineers or developers interested in building and maintaining the platform, developing new features, and ensuring its compatibility with various Excel versions and environments. Financial technology, fintech, specialist. As part of the fintech sector, Schematic opens doors for professionals interested in the intersection of finance and technology. Roles may include fintech consultant, product manager, or technical sales specialist within companies offering financial software solutions. Salary expectation in Schematic. The salary expectation for a role in schematic in India can vary depending on several factors such as your level of experience, skills, location, and the specific responsibilities of the role. Generally, salaries in the tech industry in India are competitive, especially for roles requiring specialized skills like those in schematic, which is a data analytics and automation platform. As of our last update, which is in January 2022, a mid-level software engineer in India could expect a salary ranging from 600,000 rupee to 1,500,000 rupee per annum, depending on factors mentioned earlier. Senior roles or those with significant experience and expertise could command higher salaries. Why choose ProExcellency for schematic online training? Choosing ProExcellency for schematic online training could be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency may offer training conducted by experienced professionals who are well-versed in schematic and its applications. Their expertise can ensure that you receive high-quality instruction and guidance throughout the training program. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency's training program might cover a wide range of topics related to schematic, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the platform and its features. This can help you maximize your learning and skill development. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency might offer flexibility in terms of scheduling, allowing you to access the training materials and sessions at your convenience. This flexibility can be especially beneficial for individuals with busy schedules or those who prefer self-paced learning. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's online training sessions may incorporate interactive elements such as live demonstrations, hands-on exercises, and Q&A sessions, fostering a more engaging and effective learning experience. Supportive environment. ProExcellency might create a supportive learning environment where you can ask questions, seek clarification, and interact with instructors and fellow participants, enhancing your learning journey. Certification. Upon completion of the training program, ProExcellency may provide certification or recognition of your proficiency in schematic, which can enhance your credentials and career prospects in the field.